Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make glass Figma. First, understand that glass morphism uses transparency and blur to create a frosted glass appearance. You'll need to work with fill, stroke, and effect properties in Figma. We'll cover setting up your base shape and applying the initial glass effect. This method adds a modern, clean look to your designs. To achieve the core glass effect, start with your shape and set its fill opacity to a low percentage, like 15%. Next, apply a background blur effect, typically around 16 pixels, to create that frosted look. Don't forget to add a subtle 1-pixel white stroke with 50% opacity to define the edges. This combination forms the foundation of your glass element. For a more realistic glass effect, incorporate an inner shadow to simulate depth and light hitting the surface. Consider adding a subtle linear gradient overlay with low opacity to mimic reflections. Remember, the magic happens when you place other elements behind your glass, allowing the blur to truly shine through. These details elevate your design. Before finalizing, review all your settings, adjusting blur and opacity values until your glass effect looks perfect. Always ensure your design maintains good contrast for accessibility, especially with text over glass. Once satisfied, you can export your frames or components. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including a lifetime warranty on darn tough socks and other great finds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.